I think the college is due for a change in leadership.
Don't trust that one. He's up to something. Most here are up to something, of course, but in his case, it's not good.
Once again, I have found very insulting notes left in my personal effects. Simply barbaric. Until next time.
Mirabelle does a fine job as Master Wizard, I suppose. Still, there's always room for improvement. It's been a pleasure.
You know, this is one of a very few places where you can receive a real education in the schools of magic.
Please don't bother the Archmage unless it's absolutely necessary.